Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this beautiful pencil gown with front flare. So guys, let's get started. To start off, I'll be starting with my fabric on 4-foot like this, and I'll be placing my neckline measurement, which is 7.5 inches. So after placing it like so, I will be going down by 10 inches, which will serve as the bust point, 16 inches for the waist, and from the waist to the hip is 9 inches. Then from the waist to the hip, I'll measure 9 inches. I'll measure the length of the gown because this particular gown is without half length. I mean, I will not cut the half length separately. So across the 10 inches, I'll just be making a straight line across it so that it will be easy for me to place my circumference, like the bust measurement, waist measurement, and the hip measurement. So basically that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, I actually put about 2 inches to 1.5 inches to 2 inches towards the back, which is serve as the zip panel. So here from the waistline, I'll be going down up to 18 inches, and that is above the knee, so that I will know where to shape my hip. You understand? So basically that's what I'm measuring here. So the next thing I'll be doing is to measure 8 inches, or let me say 8 inches, which is serve as the chest line. So I'll be going down by 1 inches, and I'll place my neckline, which is 3 inches, and I'll be connecting it to form my shoulder slope. So the next thing I'll be doing is to make a straight line downward towards my 8 inches, and I'll be making a straight line which will serve as my armhole line. As you can see, basically that's what I have here. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing is to just use my I'll be placing my bust measurement, and I'll be adding, I think I added 2 inches allowance to it. So I'll just be using my cuff to just make, the shape of the armhole. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place my waist measurement. Like I said earlier, this doesn't have a it doesn't have half length cut out. So I'm just placing my hip measurement, waist measurement, and everything, and with allowances, please don't forget your allowance. So I'm placing my dart measurement here. So from the bust points, I'll just go down by 1 inches, and I'm just like marking everything here, understand? So on the waistline too, I'll put my 4 inches, and is it 4 inches or 3.5 inches? I'm not sure what I used to, but it's around that. So I'm going down from the waistline by 5 inches. I'm just connecting my line, and from the hip line, from the waistline, I'll be going in by half of an inch on both sides, and I'll be connecting it to where I marked earlier. So guys, don't forget that whenever you're adding your allowances to the side of the garment, please ensure that you put back your waist intake, the that intake, so that you don't make any mistake. So here, this is me just putting my 2 inches or 1.5 inches. I think it's 2 inches. I use 2 inches. 1.5 inches allowance. I think I use 1.5 inches. As you can see, I'm just placing my 1.5 inches like that, so that I will not make mistake or maybe forget it. So the next thing is for me to just connect my line. And if you notice, I first of all put my 1 inches for the waistline before I put the allowance. So here, whatever you have on your on your hip line, like so, which I'm having like 12.5 inches here, I will just remove I'm going to remove about 1 inches from it, and I'll use my cuff to just make it. So this is just like you giving it that pencil effect, like, so that it will be very smart on your body. And from that line, you just draw a straight line to the length of your gown, like desired length. So this is the length, is a short gown. So whatever I have at that point, which is around 11.5 or thereabouts, I'll just draw it down, and I'll make a straight line like that. So basically that's it. Just so that you know your that, and know where ensure that you like notch your darts, or maybe find a way of knowing where you are putting your darts. It's very important. So for the front and the back, this is my front. I'm going down by 5 inches. For the back, I'm going down by 3 inches. So I'll first of all cut the back before I cut the front, because basically my fabric is folded together. So the next thing is just for me to cut everything out. So this is me cutting my back, and for me to cut the front, I'll first of all lift up the front before cutting it. So guys, from the waistline, I'm just going in by half of an inch, and I'll just draw a straight line across to the center of the back, just to remove that zip bulge. So this is just to remove this zipper bulge. So guys, I'm just cutting my fabric here, so I'll just go ahead and cut everything out. So the sewing is very simple. So that's just this. Basically, this is it. So the sewing is very simple. So I will not be sharing the sewing tutorial here. It's just the cutting tutorial that I'll be sharing here. So after cutting it, this is what I have. So for the front, I mean the flare you have on the front is just on the front, not to the other back. It's just on the front. So I'll just make a triangular flare like that, and I will just make sure that what I'm having is like my front circumference, which is I think around it should be around, maybe, understand, maybe around 15 inches. The length of the flare I'm trying to achieve is maybe 15 inches or thereabouts. So I'm just going down by 13 inches like so. I mean, yeah, 13 inches. I'm just using that my 13 inches to just make a semicircle all around like that, and from there I'll be going up by 8 inches, because that's the length of the flare I want. So I'm just going by 8 inches, and I'm just making sure that whatever I'm having multiplied by 4 will give me around maybe 15 inches or thereabouts, you understand. So that what you just do is for you to just place your flare, trace your waistline and sew it to it. So basically that's what I did. I just placed my flare and sew it to the front panel of my gown before I make, I proceed with the other sewing. So this is it. So guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So this is the end point, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.